You might use Microsoft Teams for a call or chat, but it can do so much more. Think of Teams as your digital office. It's where your people can talk in real time, jump into meetings, share files, and even work on documents together. Live, at the same time, without the back and forth. No more confusion over document versions. No more digging through inboxes to find that one update from last week. It brings all your communication and collaboration into one place, so things don't get lost, forgotten, or delayed. You can organize everything using channels. They're like chat rooms for each project or department, keeping the right conversations in the right place. There are even built-in tools for managing tasks, getting quick approvals, and tracking who's working on what. And here's the best part. It's all simple to use. You don't need to be techie to get value from Teams. Whether your people are in the office, working remotely, or a mix of both, Teams keeps everyone connected, productive, and in sync. Want help setting it up for your business? We can guide you. Get in touch.